Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a machine that allows you to cut different shapes out of foam. So, first of all we need to take a transformer from a microwave and remove the secondary winding. That's the one wound with thin wire. This is how it should look. Next, I took a 3-core cable that's 1 meter long. Each core has a cross-section of 4 square millimeters. We remove the insulation from it and twist the cores together so that we get a wire with a cross-section of 12 square millimeters. I'm insulating it using fabric electrical tape. Now this wire needs to be wound onto the transformer. There should be 3 turns. Next, I put terminals on the ends of the wire. Now we can measure the voltage. 2 volts. That's normal. Next, I place the transformer into the case, which I made out of plywood. For now, let's set this aside and take the power control board, which you can buy on AliExpress. We desolder the transistor with the variable resistor and connect them to the board using wires. We screw the transistor to the heatsink and then put all of this into the case. We insert the switch to turn on the machine. We insert an LED as a voltage indicator. We run the power cord in and connect everything as shown on the screen diagram. This is how it turned out for me. Next, we take pieces of threaded rods and screw them onto the wire terminals. We pass the threaded rods through the hole and screw on the cover. We take two M6 coupling nuts and drill holes in them. To be continued. Now we make slots up to the hole. To be continued. This is how it should turn out. Next, we take a piece of Nichrome wire and bend it into a semicircle. To be continued. We screw nuts onto the studs and then insert the cutter we made from Nichrome wire. To ensure good contact, I place a bearing ball and a spring inside the coupling nut. The bushings you see on the sides of the Nichrome wire I made from rivets. To be continued. All that's left is to attach two stops for the foam and the homemade device is finished. And this is the kind of machine I ended up with, which you can use to cut different shapes out of foam. To be continued. The power is adjusted depending on the density of the foam. If the density is high, the Nichrome cutter should heat up a bit more. We change the cutter and get a different shape. Now we've got an egg. And the last cutter shape that I made I think is the most interesting one. If you like this DIY project, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. Thanks everyone for watching and goodbye.